Hello friends, today's video can be useful for everyone. A must-have video for every professional. How can we create our own personal portfolio site for free? We will use GitHub for this. It will be enough to write GitHub in any browser. After clicking the first link, you will enter the GitHub site. You can think of GitHub as a file repository. Click on the first link. After entering GitHub, you need to create an account. We have to make sure that the username we write is good, because this name will be in the link section of our portfolio site. After creating an account, it was necessary to create a new repository. For this, it is necessary to enter our profile and then click on the New button in the repository section. After doing as in the video, we have to click on the Save button. I don't save because I already created it. After creating the repository, we will need to copy that repository link, and we will need VS Code and Gith Bash terminals to create our portfolio site. You need to find and download them as they are in the video. After downloading them, it is necessary to open the PowerShell terminal. For this, it is enough to press the Win and R keys on the keyboard and type CMD in the dialog window that appears. To check the Gith Bash terminal that we have downloaded, it is necessary to type the keyword Git version as shown in the video. To upload the repository we created a little while ago to our computer using the keyword git clone, it is necessary to write git clone and the link of the repository. I downloaded this file to the desktop as an example, and after downloading, you need to type cd plus repository name in the terminal to enter it in the terminal and then code to work in Visual Studio. We must write the symbol. You can see it in more detail in the video. As in the video, if you want to open it in Visual Studio, use code dot, you need to write the symbol. As a result, we were able to enter the Visual Studio. We create index.html and index.css files in Visual Studio, because the index will be the first page to open in the usual GitHub. I have already prepared the codes to be written in these files, and for this we will use the GitHub link that I added to the video comment section, and when you click on that link, it will send you to the GitHub page. As you can see, there are two files, index.css and index.html files in this link, and it is necessary to copy the codes from these files and paste them into the files with the same name that we open in the visual code and save them. You can see it better in the video. You can replace all this information in the HTML file with your own information, and you will see how to do it in the video. As in the video, it is necessary to pay attention to the title of CSS in the HTML file. If it is not correct, our site will not have a design. This part refers to the information in the header part of our site and the name of other web pages in our portfolio. We will create a folder named Image for our profile picture on our website, and we will import the photo we will use from here. Every professional employee needs a CV, and we will create a CV folder so that any user who enters the site can To see how our website looks like, we need to click on the button called Go Live below in the Visual Studio. If you don't have this button, you should write Go Live in the dependency part of the Visual Studio and download this package. Here is how our site looks like. I will show you how to change everything you see here. After the video, let's start with our profile photo, and I will use Messi's picture as an example. You can do the same thing I did with your personal photo. As you can see, I added Messi's image to the image folder. You should add your own image instead. Then, to add the photo in the HTML file, as in the video, we have to change the address in the code on the 64th line with the image address and save it. In the CSS file, we can change the percentage of the radio in the 90-second line. By default, the radio in the code is 50% and the image will show as a circle. In order to avoid this, I set the radio to 10% and you can choose according to your wish. Our profile picture is ready on our website. In the next step, I will show you how to change the text here and the link of social media accounts with our own information. As an example, I will use the link of the GitHub repository I created at the beginning of the video. You can use the link of your personal Instagram account or other social network account instead. As a reminder, don't forget to save every time you change the information. To do this, you need to press the Ctrl and S keys on the keyboard at the same time. Now let's see how it works when we click on social media icons on our website. Wow, this works correct, and our website directed us to GitHub page. We can see it works in another icon. Now I will show you how to activate the CV upload button. Before doing this, we need to prepare our resume. For this, there are many websites with resume builder programs. For example, we can say Canva. As in the video, we can find sample templates and change the information. After preparing our CV, we need to add it to the CV folder we created in Visual Studio. I'm looking for the CV upload button on our page. Where is it? I found it here. Thanks to the function here, when we click on the link, the CV is uploaded. You need to replace the addresses in the function with your CV address, as in the video. You can see it better in the video, and don't forget to save the codes at the end. Now, if we click on the CV button, we can check the upload of our CV and see if it is working. As a result, we can see our CV in the uploaded section. If we want to expand the website further, we can add other web pages here. For this, as in the video, we can search for the name of the website, and then with the keywords example, HTML, CSS, we will see a large number of example websites. If you want a video showing the preparation of web pages, don't forget to write in the comment section. And now, the last part. How can we host the site we have prepared for free on GitHub? For this, we must first upload the files we prepared in Visual Studio to our GitHub repository. For this, it is necessary to press the Add File and then the Upload File buttons. As in the video, a new page will open, and there we can drag the files in the visual code with the File Explorer program using drag technology. The fact that this addition is not visible in the video is a problem with screen recorders. And you will find these files on the desktop, According to the video, all the files created in the Visual Studio have been downloaded successfully. To save them, you need to click on the Commit Change button, then click on the Save button. Here, all the files have been uploaded successfully. Now go to the section of Building Our Website. As in the video, you need to click on the section of Settings and then on the page on the left. In the opening page, you need to select the Root section as the main one and click on the Save button. You need to watch this part of the video more closely. After doing all this, you need to click on the Action part on GitHub. Then you need to click on the Page Build and Deployment part. On this opening page, our website is built, and we have to wait for it to finish. That's it. Then, as in the video, you need to click on the link in the Build part. You can now access our website from any device using this link. If you follow the video up to this point, everything will be fine. If there are any problems with this part, I recommend you to watch the video again more carefully. Do not forget to write the problem in the comment section. As a reminder, this website is not responsive. Also, if we access this link with a mobile phone, the design of our site may look a little strange. If you want to see how to do responsive design in the next videos, don't forget to write in the comments. That's all for this video. Take a good look at yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for such interesting information. Bye.